In this video, I'm about to show you how to use 888 stars bonus account. This is very easy. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So after using the promo code I just gave you and you receive a bonus account, this is what to do to use it. Just come over to your menu and you come over to the top option where you see your account balance. So just click on your account balance and you're going to see two options here. There's going to be an option for a main account and there's going to be an option for a bonus account. That bonus account is your account, or the money there is the money received from your first time deposit. So to use it, you just have to go ahead and select that account, then go ahead and place any bet. Any bet I place on my account henceforth is going to be considered from my bonus account. And that's how to use 888 stars bonus account.